This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, March 26th. Starting out with the stock index futures, this market putting in a very good performance, trading higher even though we did have housing starts and permits both coming in on the weak side. So the fact that the indices can perform so well in spite of bearish news should be viewed as a sign of strength. Also, I do believe that central banks around the world generally are moving toward more accommodation. And to me, that means higher prices for stock index futures, even though it does appear that the global economy is weakening. Moving over to the currencies, I see interest rate differentials really not favoring the dollar or the euro currency, since both the Fed and the European Central Bank, I believe, are moving toward easier credit conditions. Some strength coming into the Canadian and the Australian with crude oil prices trading higher. Interest rate markets lower earlier, coming back. Some support from the weak housing starts report. But the markets I still favor from the long side are the precious metals and industrial commodities. Of course, that would include the copper and the crude oil. So I would continue to trade those from the long side, precious metals, industrial commodities. Lower interest rates globally, I think, will be supportive for the precious metals from an inflationary point of view. And if there is a trade deal between the U.S. and China, which I think is likely to come sooner rather than later, that would support the industrial commodities. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.